G'day, Peter here from Comfort Zone Insulation. I hope you enjoy our next video about insulation, and just remember, if you need a quote, click on the links and we're happy to help you out.
Hi there, Tiaro here from Comfort Zone Insulation. This customer just wants us to pump in the cellulose fibre insulation just in the tops of the bays here, so just down in there. So what we'll do is we'll get a flat pipe just like this, and we will actually just pump straight down the bay there, and this is just the built-in sort of room that they've built underneath the house, and we're just insulating the top of that roof that runs across there. And if we come over here, so this is the inside of the room. See, I've put the polyester, they've already drilled out these little divots to put downlights in, and what I've done is I've just put a polyester bat just here, so no insulation falls out and on top of all the clothes here, and so I'll do the same with those two holes there, and yeah, so that's the job. It's a really good insulator for sound, and yeah, so if you want a quote, just give us a call and or send us an email, and yeah, have a good one. Here, I'm just up here doing this downlight, and we've just this is underneath the floor, so we don't recommend putting downlights underneath the floor, because it's leaves an air gap in the insulation, and 1% gaps reduce the efficiency by 30%. So that little air gap would just go straight through that air gap. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a polyester bat. Where's my bat? I'm gonna put tear a piece for the polyester bat over there, and put it up in there, in that hole, and make sure that transformer in there is out of the way of any insulation, and I'm going to clean out the hole there, and make sure all the insulation's away from the downlight, because it's a heat source, and the only downlights we recommend is called a cover in the butt downlight. It's the one without the transformer in it, so there's no heat source there, so you could possibly catch fire or anything. Anyway, well, I will finish this job up, and then we've got another one to do down there. I'll make sure that one's all done, and we'll be good to go. Cheers.